Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this easy stitch. It's just one row repeat and single crochet, so you don't have to focus your project heavily. You can match something and make this with the same time, and you can use it for the blankets, for the bags, hats, cardigans, anywhere you want it. And it looks very good with a variegated yarn, but this time I'm gonna use a solid color yarn so you can see it clearly, and I'm gonna use a 4.5 millimeter hook. You can use any size of yarn. With this, that's a category 4 yarn, and I use 5.5 millimeter hook, and that's a category 3 yarn. I'm gonna use 4.5. That's all. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can find the link below. It's totally free, and I would like to hear your opinion about this stitch or anything you want. I like to talk with you. Please leave comments. We can start now. Start with a slip knot. For this stitch, you will need an odd number. I'm gonna make a little sample right now, so 15 is enough for me. Now turn back, skip this first stitch, insert into the next, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2. That's a single crochet. For this row, we are gonna put one single crochet into each stitch. It's that easy. I'm keeping my tension loose. I think it looks better with this way. You can use a bigger size hook. When you complete your single crochets, you will have an even number. Even numbers of stitches. I have 14 right now. Chain 1, turn, and this row 2 will be our repeat. Into this first stitch, insert and put a single crochet. We will always put one single crochet into the first and the last stitch. Now skip one stitch, this one, insert into the next, grab the yarn, pull it a little bit, yarn over, pull through 2. We made a single crochet. Now turn back into this empty stitch. We are gonna put a single crochet. Skip one stitch. Be careful. We used this one, okay? It's a little bit hard to see this post, so be careful in the beginning. After this row, it will be easier. Skip one. Insert into the next. Put a single, turn back, and into the empty stitch, I'm gonna put one more single. Skip one, make a single, and make one more. Skip one, a single, turn back and make one more. . Once I saw a bag a clutch bag, I think, which made with this stitch with the paper yarn, if I remember correctly, but I think macrame yarn will look good also. I still remember it, so that means it was fabulous. Once you make all of it and have only one stitch, insert and put a single crochet here. Chain 1, turn. Into this first stitch we are gonna make a single crochet, and you can see these two stitches for a new cross. Skip the bigger one, insert into the smaller, make a single crochet, turn back and insert into the stitch, put a single crochet. Skip this one, insert into the next, put a single, turn back and make a single. Skip one, make a single, turn back and make a single. It's that easy. I'm making the last one and I have one more stitch left. I'm gonna put a single crochet here. It's a kind of looking like the star stitch, modified star stitch or trinity stitch. It reminds me of these stitches, but I'm not sure. And once you complete your work, you will just finish your piece with single crochets. Put one single crochet into each stitch all the way along. Oops. Okay, that's the last stitch. And that's all. Hope you like this tutorial, this stitch. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my website, Etsy, Pinterest, Ravelry. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.